song that Grandma used to sing to me. It's called Factory Girl. Outside when I'm walking one bright summer morning, the birds in the bushes did whistle and sing. The lads and the lasses in couples were going back to the factory, their work to begin. I spied one amongst them. She was fairer than most. Her cheeks like the red rose that blooms in the spring. Her hair like a lily that grows in yon valley. She was only a hard-working factory girl. That's all she was. She was just a hard-working factory girl. I slipped along beside her more closely to feel her. She said, "My young man, don't scare me so." I said, "I've got gold in my pockets, and I've got silver as well. No more shall you answer that factory call. No more, baby, no!" Now the years have gone past since the days of our youth. Our home is now teeming with children and play. Life goes on in the village, and you can still hear the whistle. There goes that guy with his factory girl. There goes that guy with his factory. So she was just a factory girl, yeah, yeah.